In Illustrator, the repetitive work isn't drawing. It's everything that comes after. The same logo you need as PNG at twice the resolution, as SVG for the web, as PDF for print. The 10 artboards to export one at a time. The color to change just for that one version. Illustrator has the same backdoor as Photoshop, a complete scripting interface, and Magic Automa walks in without installing anything. In this video, the proof, a demo that does 4 exports work in one click, and the ready-made actions for everyday jobs. First, proof that the channel works. The test info demo asks Illustrator who it is and what it has open, version, document, how many artboards, layers, and text frames. It all lands in the log. And now my favorite demo, Logo Kit. One click, and a folder appears on your desktop with your logo exported as PNG at double resolution for Retina screens, and as vector SVG for the web, all clipped to the artboard with a transparent background. That's the package you send the client or upload to the site. By hand, it's 4 export dialogues with their options. Here it's a button. And as always, the arguments are yours. Change the base name, and the kit comes out named after the project. On to the ready-made actions, the ones that don't even need a script. The document action opens, creates, saves, and closes. The base for slotting Illustrator into a longer flow. The export action covers the 4 formats that actually matter. PNG and JPG at the scale you choose, SVG for the web, PDF for print, always clipped to the artboard. Think in buttons. Export for web, export for print, export the thumbnail. 3 buttons, 3 presets, 0 dialogues. And here comes the idea that makes everything else possible. Give things a name. In the Layers panel, rename the text that will change. Here, gnome, and the shape acting as background. Here, sfondo. From that moment, the actions find them on their own. The text action replaces the content of the frame, called gnome. The fill color action changes the fill of the object, called sfondo, and you write the color in hex, like on the web. The artboard action picks the active board, by number or by name. 30 seconds spent renaming objects hands you a template you can drive from outside forever. The oldest pain for anyone working with multiple artboards, exporting them one by one. The export action has a checkbox called All Artboards. Instead of a single file, it writes 1 per board and puts the board's name into the file name. 2 boards, 2 files, fronte and retro, already separated, already ready. With 10 boards, that's the difference between 10 minutes and 1 second, and no forgotten file. 2 last actions. Place image drops an image into the document at the position and with you state. Linked or embedded, your call. It's the piece that completes a template when the photo changes but the layout doesn't. In run action fires the actions you've already recorded inside Illustrator, the ones in the actions panel. If you have years of work recorded in there, now you can trigger it from a button, a hotkey, or your tablet. One practical warning. The set and action names must be exact. Get them wrong, and Illustrator opens a dialog and waits for you. So copy them from the panel. To recap, scripts for the unreachable, ready-made actions for everyday work, and object names as the key to it all. Next video, we take one badge, an Excel sheet with 50 names, and turn them into 50 files. In a minute.